Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Brand vs Brand. Today we're taking a closer look at the Tesla Model Y 2026, America's best-selling electric car. The new version comes with fresh updates and exciting features that make it even more appealing. Let's dive into the design, interior, performance, and technology that set it apart. The exterior has been refined with a sleeker, more aerodynamic look. Up front, you'll notice redesigned LED headlights and a sharper bumper. The overall styling feels more modern, and the new wheels and color options give buyers more ways to customize their ride. Step inside, and the upgrades are even more noticeable. Tesla has introduced a larger 15-inch central screen with an improved user interface. High-quality materials, more comfortable seats, and a brand-new ambient lighting system make the cabin feel more upscale. It's quieter, roomier, and more practical for everyday use. When it comes to performance, the Model Y continues to impress. The 2026 version offers an estimated range of around 330 to 350 miles, making it great for both daily driving and longer trips. With dual-motor all-wheel drive, it accelerates from 0 to 60 in just a few seconds, delivering that signature Tesla punch. Technology is where Tesla really shines. The latest version of autopilot and full self-driving features are included, along with wireless charging, an upgraded sound system, and over-the-air software updates that keep the car improving long after you buy it. Pricing is expected to start around $45,000, with higher trims and performance models going up from there. For what it offers, the Model Y is still one of the best values in the EV market. Overall, the Tesla Model Y 2026 is a complete package. With its refreshed design, smarter tech, and strong performance, it continues to prove why it's America's #1 electric vehicle. If you're looking for a future-proof SUV that blends style, innovation, and everyday practicality, the Model Y remains a top choice.